I'm Andy Parkin, Managing Director of the multi-award-winning Screed. Today I'm here to give you a little more insight into Tarmac's Cemscreed 5. I'll talk about some of the technical specifications as well as the benefits of the product. So a brief description of Cemscreed 5. Cemscreed 5 was designed as a rapidly drying cement-based binder. It is a high-strength floor screed. Because of the binder itself is blended under strict factory conditions, you only need to add aggregate and water when you are on site. This control of process and component means that the performance of the finished screed is of a much higher standard. Common issues caused by traditional site batching are removed. Tarmac Cemscreed 5 comes with blended fibres to add reinforcement. So what are the uses of Cemscreed 5? Cemscreed 5 comes into its own when you need a rapid turnaround on your project or where access time is limited. Often these projects are schools, supermarkets or train stations where bonded, unbonded and floating screeds are needed. So what are the benefits of Tarmac Cemscreed 5? There are many benefits of using Cemscreed 5, so let's take a look at them. Tarmac Cemscreed 5 is factory produced in line with BS, EN, ISO 9001 conditions and is delivered as such. It can take foot traffic in as little as 12 hours. You can start to lay your floor finishes in as little as 5 days after laying. Stone tiles can be laid after 2 days and ceramic tiles as quickly after a single day. Cemscreed 5 can be used for maintenance. It can give you a repair solution for existing flooring. It is compatible with underfloor heating systems. Tarmac Cemscreed 5 is fully compliant with BS EN 13813. Installation and quality control. First of all, installation of Tarmac's Cemscreed 5 needs to be done in line with the relevant sections of BS EN ISO 9001. From a quality perspective, every posiment product is blended in a factory as well as being tested and packaged in line with BS EN ISO 9001. When installing Tarmac's Cemscreed 5, it is essential that adequate ventilation is in place. However, windows and doors should be closed during and after application to avoid any drafts. There must be both a floor and ambient temperature of above 6 degrees Celsius during application and for 1 week post-application. Unless you have use of a DPM, the relative humidity of the floor must be at 95% or lower. Underfloor heating considerations. You need a minimum coverage of 25 mm above any pipes, and it is best practice to add some reinforcement. Any underfloor heating should be pressurised for at least 5 days prior to laying the screed, and the heating pipes manufacturer's guidance is a good place to start on this front. Hopefully you are now up to speed with Tarmac's Cemscreed 5. Give us a call if you have any further questions.